This is flight school. This is flight school. This is flight school. Hey, I'm Nicole Bonk, head of flight testing at Skydio, and this is Skydio Flight School. And today, we'll be talking about your first flight with the Skydio 2. Before getting in the air, remember the following when choosing where to fly your Skydio 2. Remember to avoid thin wires, bare branches, and airports. Also, avoid public roads and don't fly over people. Then, clean all the cameras, make sure the props aren't damaged, and remove the gimbal clip. To begin, make sure your drone is powered on. Set your Skydio 2 down on flat ground or on the case. And the phone is connected to the drone's Wi-Fi. At least 10 feet away with the camera facing towards you. Make sure your phone is charged and not in battery saver mode, then launch the Skydio 2 app. To start, tap Begin Flight. Once the calibration is complete, press and hold the launch button. Once you're in the air, you will be prompted to begin the Learn to Fly experience, which will teach you the basics of operating your Skydio 2. Now that Skydio 2 is tracking you, try walking near a tree or other static object to see how Skydio 2 automatically avoids obstacles. When you're ready to land, tap the red X at the top right of the screen to stop subject tracking. Use the manual controls to put the Skydio 2 above a safe landing zone. Press and hold the land button, and Skydio 2 will land itself. Or the case to perform a safe case landing. And that's everything you need to know for your first flight with the Skydio 2.